This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 3836 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 38 feet 11 inches in length and features a Bayshore Decor, Toffee Glazed Maple Hardwood, HG interior, sleeps 4, self-contained, Colorado Detector, slide-out, smoke detector, TV, awning, TV antenna, external shower, leveling jacks, LP detector, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 3836 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.